Hi, my name is Ryan Evans, and I'm the Apprentice of the Year 2023 for Sports and Education. I completed my apprenticeship at the Saltley Ferry School, and I'm still working there now. I did the support teaching and learning, and I had a feeling that I was good with children already. So I went down that route, and then I really enjoyed. So I did work experience at the school, and then I inquired about doing an apprenticeship, and then I went to do the interviews, and then I got the job in the end, and now I'm really enjoying it. My employer has been really helpful during my apprenticeship. If I ever have any questions to do with the work that I've been doing, I can go and talk to them, or if I've got any problems in the workplace, I can go and talk to them, or if anything personal is going on, then they're always there to support me. So the advice that I'd give to someone would definitely be to do it, because I've enjoyed it so much and you get so much experience from it. And you also do all your work in the workplace. It's really good. The biggest advantage of undertaking an apprenticeship would definitely be the qualifications and the experience you get from it. You can do a lot with the qualifications you get from doing a work apprenticeship. I've already started my level 3 teaching and learning, and then after I've done this one, I want to go on to maybe become a teacher, so I want to do some training for that, but I'm really excited to see what the future has.